Marcus isn't a tech expert. He's not a marketer. He's a full-time high school teacher with barely 2 hours a day to spare. Yet in just 7 days, he made $500 using AI and affiliate marketing. In this video, you'll see exactly how he did it, and a plan you can copy step by step, even if you're starting from zero. Welcome to Invisible Income, the channel for smart, simple income ideas that don't require you to be on camera or quit your job. Subscribe for real strategies, not recycled fluff. By the end of this video, you'll have Marcus's exact 4-step system and a printable checklist to start today. Marcus liked his job, but every month felt tighter. Groceries up, utilities up, rent up. What he didn't have was spare time or the desire to become an influencer. One evening, while grading essays, he saw a short video about recurring affiliate commissions, the kind that pay you monthly for one referral. He wrote one sentence in a notebook. "One sale that pays me while I sleep." That idea became a test he could run in a week. Instead of chasing trends, Marcus started with lived experience, education. On a page, he made 3 columns: problems he faced at work, tools he already used, and who else had the same problems. Under problems, he listed writing parent emails, building lesson outlines, giving fast feedback, and turning notes into slides. Under tools, he listed an AI writing assistant, a slide generator, and a planner app. Under who else, he wrote busy teachers and substitutes. Then, he searched each tool name plus affiliate program. Several offered recurring commissions. The AI writing assistant paid about 30% of each monthly subscription. If a user paid around $30 a month, his commission could be roughly $9. Not huge, but recurring and scalable. He circled it. Marcus applied and was approved the next day. Instead of dropping his link everywhere, he prepared a minimal foundation that would make each click more likely to convert. Foundation Piece 1, a 1-page Google Doc called Teacher Quick Wins with AI. It had 3 sections, a 2-minute parent email template, a lesson outline prompt, and a grading shortcut, plus a clear disclosure and his affiliate link with a note, "Free trial available. If you later upgrade, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you." Foundation Piece 2, 3 short tutorial scripts. Each followed the same pattern: problem, tiny promise, 3 steps, quick demo, and a soft nudge to the resource doc instead of a hard sell. Foundation Piece 3, a simple tracking sheet, views, clicks, trials, so he could see what actually moved the needle. Here's where AI did the heavy lifting so Marcus could produce consistently without burnout. Marcus opened ChatGPT and asked for concise scripts aimed at teachers with almost no free time. He kept each video between 60 and 90 seconds so it felt watchable during a coffee break. Example 1. Write tomorrow's parent email in 2 minutes. Steps. Paste a short summary, ask the AI for a clear professional tone, copy the final paragraph that sets expectations. He recorded a quick screen capture showing exactly those actions. Example 2. Turn 1 paragraph into a complete lesson outline. He asked for a 5-point outline with objectives and a quick formative assessment and showed the result in real time. Example 3. Grade faster with 3 prompts. He asked for strength, suggestion, and next step feedback in 3 bullets and pasted it back into the portal. For visuals, he used Pictory to convert each script into a clean sequence with stock footage and on-screen captions emphasizing words like 2 minutes, outline, and feedback. For voice, he used a realistic model so production sounded polished without hiring a narrator. Each video ended with the same soft CTA. Get the free Teacher Quick Wins doc, it's linked below, because he reused the same production template, making the second and third videos took half the time of the first. Posting to an empty room doesn't work. Marcus shared value first, link second. In a large teacher Facebook group, he posted a 75-second video with a helpful caption. "Here's how I wrote a clear parent email in 2 minutes today. If you want the exact words, the doc is in the comments." On Reddit, he replied to threads about overwhelm with a short explanation, plus the doc as a resource. Inside his school, he emailed colleagues a brief note with the same tips. Important detail: many platforms dislike direct affiliate links. That's why the resource doc came first. It added value, built trust, and centralized the disclosure and link in one place. Within 72 hours, his tiny funnel showed signs of life. 17 clicks, 6 trials, 2 paid conversions. Not viral, steady. And steady is enough when the income recurs. Marcus checked his sheet. The parent email video drove most clicks, but the lesson outline video had the best trial to paid conversion. Why? The outline workflow solved a recurring pain teacher's face twice a week. He adjusted the plan. 2 more outline videos and 1 deeper tutorial on feedback. He added guidance in the doc on which plan to start with and how to cancel if it wasn't a fit. Lowering anxiety increases conversions. He tightened the first 10 seconds of each video, increased subtitle size for mobile, and added 1 sentence before the doc cut. It's free, takes 1 minute to copy, and you can use it today. Small edits improved watch time and clicks, and then the snowball started. Shares from colleagues led to more group posts, and a few trials turned into monthly users. By day 7, 14 paying customers had subscribed through Marcus's link. Total commission, about $500. The number alone isn't life-changing. The real story is retention. Because the tool became part of their weekly routines, many of those users stayed. That meant the next month started at $500 before Marcus posted anything new. Second-order effects appeared. A department lead invited him to do a 10-minute internal demo. 3 more trials followed. One viewer asked about the slide generator he used, which led to a second affiliate program. Teaching specific outcomes earns trust. Exact checklist so you can copy this. 1. List 3 problems you solved for yourself in the last month. 2. List the tools you used. 3. Search each tool plus affiliate program and pick the option with recurring commissions and a free trial. 4. Write a 1-page quick wins doc with 3 tiny tutorials and a clear disclosure. 5. Draft 3 60 to 90-second faceless scripts. Problem, promise, 3 steps, demo, soft CTA to the doc. 6. Publish the first video and post it in 2 communities where your audience already talks. 7. Track views, clicks, trials, paid. Double down on the topic with the best trial to paid conversion. Optional later. Add an email capture to deliver a longer template pack so you can follow up with people who use the doc but didn't convert. You've seen a practical path to your first $500 online with AI and affiliate marketing, even if you're busy and allergic to hype. Start with a niche you understand, teach tiny outcomes, use AI to produce fast, and distribute where the right people already spend time. Track small numbers, not vanity metrics, and make clear, honest disclosures. Which tool in your life would you start with first? Tell me in the comments. I read everyone. In the next video, I'll show you how to scale your first results without creating more content from scratch, so you can grow your monthly income faster. You can click the video on your screen to watch that breakdown next, or check out my most popular video for beginners. If this was helpful, hit subscribe, like, and check the resources below to start today. The Quick Wins doc is free, the disclosures are clear, and you can test everything in under an hour. See you in the next one.